We are a dine-in cinema. We have amazing beer, award-winning beer. We have really good food too. We have 15 locations in 5 different states. Challenge is that this is a long conversation. Structure and organization, probably number one. The old ways we used to do it, the paper and pencil, long gone. And some folks, unfortunately, even on the vendor side, are still clinging to that old way of doing business. Before Ecotrak, it was very reactive. There was a lot of Google maintenance happening. There was a lot of guesswork. There was a lot of communication across multiple units, and some not reconnecting. So it's very, very reliable. Love that. And then it has an incredibly robust PM platform. So the PM platform is absolutely my favorite. I was able to onboard all of our local technicians into it, and it has saved me a ton of time, a ton of email traffic, a ton of phone calls. And it has completely automated our preventative maintenance system. Internal communication within the platform itself, we use it all the time. The other piece of that puzzle is the automation part, where work orders are automatically generated. So no one is playing any sort of guessing game. I'm not guessing, did this get done? A GM is not guessing, did this get done? No, it's right there in black and white. Yeah, I think the future is definitely AI, and with that, automation. And so everybody's on this search for automation, right? So many good things with automation. I think some folks look at automation like it's kind of a monster because it does lower your labor a lot. It's part of it. However, it does increase that technical need. Being able to fully automate the facility, being able to fully automate work orders, has reduced the need for massive amounts of labor nowadays. Now you can run 15, 20 locations with 1 or 2 people using automation. With the InTouch system, it has automated our RTU system. So what it has done for me and on my team is basically we have a full-time HVAC technician that lives within the RTU that I can reference 24/7, no matter what part of the country. It could be in the cold, it could be out in the desert in El Paso, wherever. I could plug in, I can see, hey, what's going on in Iowa today? And I could read all my RTUs up there from the comfort of my desk in Austin, Texas. And be able to dispatch accordingly. So I could see the pressure readings, I could see flags, I could see any sort of reactive action that we would lead to, I can get way ahead of it. So we have had 0 theater downtime using the InTouch system coupled with vendor automation. The vendor side has saved an incredible amount of time. Typically it was a lot of vendor chasing. So it was calling, it was email back and forth, texting back and forth. Did they show up? Did they not? And so this has definitely centralized it to where we can keep an eye and keep tabs on all of our vendors 24/7 if they come out to do a job, whatever. There's an internal communication platform that we use with the vendors as well. Ecotrak has been absolutely fantastic. I had a lot of faith 3 years ago in this platform. The folks I worked with then were very knowledgeable, and what I really loved is that it seemed like a lot of very, very smart, intelligent folks from all over this facility world came together onto this platform and took what I think needed to happen to a lot of the CMMS systems and brought it all into one. So I'm very appreciative to be a customer.